My name is Steele. I've been at Legal Aid at Western Ohio for about a year. I started in May of 2024, right after I graduated law school. What I really love about Legal Aid of Western Ohio is it provides a place for people to be informed, to get representation, and to help vulnerable populations that often the system is not set up to help. A big portion of what I do is our veterans work. So we have a veterans clinic at the VA where I take walk-ins Tuesdays and Thursdays of every week. It's really important that a lot of the clients just know what their legal rights are and know their options when they're facing a lot of these difficult situations. The Ohio Access to Justice Foundation provides funding that helps us provide legal services to our veterans. This grant made it possible for us to have the walk-in clinic at the VA and assist veterans with the legal services that they need. I would say a big part of our work is also outreach and getting people the information before they are in these crisis situations. I think a big part of that is the work that we do can help take away that fear. If people are aware of what their rights are or their options in a situation, it can help make sure that they protect themselves and also recognize the signs moving forward on what can I do before it gets to the point where I'm in fear of asserting my rights, or what can I do if this person is creating a fearful situation. Who do I go to? What resources do I have? We are more than willing to help clients or connect them with resources that often they are unaware of and are often really needed to help their situation. A lot of our clients were able to resolve their issue before a case is filed. Typically the best kind of advocacy we can do is one before litigation is even required, really making sure their issue is resolved without having to leave it up to a judge or a jury. To really address clients or people who come to us who are in fear or aren't sure of their rights, a large part of my job is listening, kind of assessing where they're at, and making sure they're aware of their rights and connected with resources. But especially Legal Aid is able to provide the legal assistance, provide legal advice that is often needed just for people to know what their rights are, what their options are, and how to protect themselves best.